Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Casio A164W. This particular tutorial is going to work for other Casio watch models that feature the 3-button configuration. So what we want to do first of all is to make sure that we are in our home screen, so where we have the time and date displayed. To be sure, what we want to do is to press the mode button until we arrive there. We are going to go past setting the seconds, and here we are going to make sure that we are in our home screen. In order to arrive at the settings, what we want to do is to press the mode button, and we are going to arrive right here. Here we are going to first of all see the seconds flickering, flashing. This is going to indicate the fact that we can now reset the seconds to 0. We are going to use the upper left button in order to toggle between the various options, so settings, and then we are going to use the button on the right in order to set them. For the seconds, if you were to reset them between 1 and 29, you are going to reset them to 0 and no minute is going to be added. If you are between 30 and 59 seconds, as we are right now, we are going to reset them to 0, but a minute is also going to be added. Just like that. If I press it again, you'll be able to see that the seconds are going to reset to 0 without adding a minute. Now I'm going to press the upper left button, and the first thing that we can set after the seconds are going to be the hours. Once again, I can only go forward, so I can only press the button on the right. You can also press and hold in order to speed scroll. At this exact moment, I have the 24-hour display, so that is why we see up to 23. I'm going to press it once again, and now we can select the minutes. Let's make it 25. Once again, I can press and hold just like that. And now I'm going to press it again, and I'm going to arrive at setting the date. The first thing that we can set is going to be the month. Then we can set the day of the month and then the day of the week. You cannot select the year on these particular models. So I'm going to make it December. You can also use the speed scroll function by pressing and holding. It is going to work for all the features. Then I'm going to go to the day of the month. Let's make it the 24th of December. And let's say that it would be a Wednesday. Just like that. Now, if I press the upper left button once again, I'm going to cycle back from the beginning. So I have the seconds, the hours, the minutes. I can adjust something in case I made a mistake. And then in order to finalize the process, I'm going to press the mode button. In case you prefer the 12-hour display instead of the 24, what you want to do in this position is to press the button on the right, and you can see that now we have 8 p.m. If I press it again, I'm going to switch to military time, so 24-hour display, and now I have 20. So guys, this was the quick tutorial on how to set the time and date. In case you want to watch the full guide with also how to use the alarm function, how to set it, and also how to activate and deactivate the hourly beep and the alarm, I'm going to show you how to do that, as well as how to use the stopwatch. I will also post a full guide on how to adjust the mesh bracelet and also how to replace the watch battery by yourself at home, and also do the AC reset on these particular models in order to make sure that your display is working properly. In case you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. And also, if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.